Once you've blocked out a rough sculpt, you can start refining the shape. For this it's useful to divide the model into smaller parts using face sets. In sculpting mode, select Draw Face Sets and start painting. If you stop and start painting again, this will create a new face set. If that's not what you want, hold Ctrl and hover over the selection that you want to paint more of, then continue to paint. To erase, hold Ctrl outside of the face set and paint from there. By holding Shift, you can smooth the borders of the face sets. Pressing H toggles Hide Unhide to isolate the face set that the mouse is hovering over. Now you can focus on that part of the model to refine the sculpting.